Hi guys, and welcome to Zozo Cooks Keto. Today we're going to do Bulletproof Hot Cocoa, a wonderful wintertime drink that allows you to enjoy those chocolatey flavors while still hitting those fat macros and satiating your hunger. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla-flavored almond milk. Almond milk is one of those great ingredients that's naturally sweet yet super low carb. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and some sweetener to taste. Finally, to make this a beautiful frothy drink, you'll need a blender. I'll be using an immersion blender. Let's make some cocoa. In a small pot on a medium-high heat, add the cocoa along with the heavy whipping cream. Blend until they form a nice creamy paste. This will help eliminate any lumps. Perfect. Add the almond milk, coconut oil, butter, and sweetener to the pot. Stir the mixture until it all heats up, melts, and combines. Now it's time to whip it into something delightful. If you have a few extra carbs, you can always top it off with a little whipped cream. For this recipe, the macros are 52 grams of fat, 1.8 grams of fiber, 4.9 grams of total carbs, and 4.1 grams of protein. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.